Happy morning, my lovely kids. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and fit and doing much better at home. Dear students, I'm here with your favorite activity. Can you guess which activity we are going to do today? Today, we are going to do word train activity. Yes, we have already done this activity. So today we will do it again. So first tell me, do you remember how we have done this activity? Yes, we have given few words in the train and we have to complete all the trains, but how we will do? We have given one word in the engine of the train and we will take last letter of the word and we will start second word with the same letter. So, in the same way, we will do this activity and will complete our train. Okay, so are you ready for it? Very good. I'm also excited, my dear students. So, let us start the activity. Dear students, as you can see, in our first train, we have first word cloak. What is the word? Cloak. So, what is the last letter? Last letter is K. So, we will think about the word which begin with the K. So, you can write any word with K. It can be kite. So, I am going to write here kite. K I T E, kite. So, in the same way, we will see the last letter of this word. And what is that? It is E. So, we will write the next word which start with E. So, what is the word? What can we write? We can write anything like egg, eat. So, I'm going to write here eat. E, A and T. So, what is the last letter? T. Now, we will start the next one with T. So, T for tiger, T for tip, T for top, T for tin, T for trip. So, we can write any word with the T. So, I'm going to write here trip. T R I P. So, in this way, we have completed our first train. Cloak, kite, eat and trip. Cloak, K. K for kite. Last letter E. E for eat. Last letter T. T for trip. Okay, dear students. Now, we will do the next train. What is the word? The word is king. The word is king. And the last letter is G. Last letter is G. So, we will write the next word from the G. G for got, get, grow, grip. So, you can write any word from G. I am going to write here Grow. I'm going to write here grow. G R O W. Grow. So the last letter is W. Last letter is W. We will write the next word which start with W. So I'm going to write here win. Win. We win the match. So win. W for win. The last letter is N. So we can write any word: nest, nail, night. So I am going to write here nail. N A I L. Nail. And the last letter is L. L for light, like, lip, lamp. So we can write here any word: L-A-M-P, lamp. I have written here lamp. Okay, dear students, in this way we have completed our next train. So the next train is start with the word short. S-H-O-R-T, short. So the last letter is T. Last letter is T. So T for tiger, tip, tone, toast. As we have already discussed about the words start with T. So I'm going to write here toast. T O A S T. Toast. So again we have the last letter T. T for, we can write anything. I'm going to write here truck. Are you enjoying this activity, dear students? Very good. You can play it with your mother and father or your siblings. You can enjoy this activity with anyone, as you can do one train, you can solve one train and the another train can be solved by another person, and you can think about more and more words. So the last letter is K, and next word we will start with K. So I'm going to write here keep. K for keep. K double E P. Keep. Okay, dear students. And the last letter is P. So write the last word with the P. P for pick. I'm going to write here pick. P-I-C-K. Pick. So dear students, you can see we have not repeated any word here, and we have completed our beautiful trains. In the same way you can enjoy this activity. I am giving you few word trains, and do yourself, and you can also play with your family members. Thank you. Have a nice day.